Basically, the pipe fitting program entails a lot of pipe fabrication. Pipe in the industry is basically the pathway for all the product. So our process in the shop is to put fittings, 90s, 45s, flanges, onto the end of pipe at specific measurements so that it can route in right angles from A to Z.
My parents were in pipe fitting. They were both in it for about like 10 years or more. And I wanted to join it too, to see what it's like or what they go through. Today we're using the I-beams and the plasma cutters, okay, and we're measuring the I-beam to fit into another I-beam. So it's gonna be like a stand or like a platform for the I-beams.
Hands-on application is primary for the industry. Everything you do out in the field is hands-on. You can take all the tests that you like, but ultimately you need to be able to perform the tasks that you have studied and practiced.
I learned how to cut to specification. I've learned how to bevel. I can I know how to use a blowtorch.
Everything I'm learning to pipe fitting right now, this CTE class, they can get you a job, or you can go into college and then you can learn more about pipe fitting, and then you can go into the plants or wherever and you can make more money and you can have a lot more learning and stuff like that.
I'm planning after I graduate to go to COM to get the rest of my certifications to be a pipe fitter and to go into the field and hopefully get a job.
We are surrounded by refineries. We have contractors that show up upon graduation and throughout the year, and they want to come in and check on the students because they want to hire them upon graduation.
It's a great opportunity. It's just not a lot of people can do this. High school, still in high school, you're getting a certification before you even graduate.
It's very, very vital that this industry gets constant regeneration of young people.